continue. When ill person becomes aware of his illness and he does not know the science and medicine, he seeks physician to instruct him with regard to the course of the actions to follow. Right? So a normal way of the world. So if a person feels that he has pain in his ear or something, okay, some people try to cure themselves, that they go to this it's always amazes me, like a person would type on the internet and do whatever Google say. I would always say to people, you normal, how do you know, like this person watched, I don't know, this movies or whatever, read some magazines, and he compiled this article with the keywords, whatever you use, right? Because he gets paid for each click. So what is he, medical expert? You just whatever you come up on the first page of Google, that's what you do. That's a crazy person. Also, like a very irresponsible. Not crazy, but I would call it irresponsible. So if you have some problem, you go to professional, go to physician, right? The physician will warn him against those things that consider to be pleasant, and will force him to take medication that, even though they are bitter and distasteful, they will cure the body. So you go to the doctor. Exactly, Rambam is speaking in simple words here. So the doctor say, look, my friend, you're on the border of being diabetic, right? You have to cut on the sugar now. All of these nice chocolates, nice cookies, whatever you have, go into the garbage now. You're going home now, and that's what you do, right? And you start taking medicine, whatever. I don't know if there are medicine, but I'm sure there is medicine to keep your sugar level down. Yeah, I'm sure there is some, right? So that's what you do. So you went to a doctor. He diagnosed it based on a blood level, this level, that level, right? Whatever they check, right? And they tell you exactly what not to do. What is, even though this chocolate is very sweet, for you it's a poison. You understand? And this medicine, even though it's bitter, like it's actually good for you. This will enable him to choose the good in the future and be repelled by what is truly repulsive. So this chocolate, whatever he likes, this Belgian chocolate, whatever cakes, whatever this person liked, until he heard what doctor would tell him. So now it's repulsive. He knows it's not good for me. I'm going to stay where it looks good, looks delicious, looks fresh and appealing. But guess what? For me, it's a poison. It's a killer to me. Similarly, in the analogy, it is proper for those who have a spiritual element to seek out the wise who heal the soul, who will warn him against the evil that they consider to be good, and will heal them through the activities that heal the character traits, right, of the soul, and will be explained in the following chapter. So let me read one more time, and I'm going to explain. It's very interesting, right? So we spoke about it in Hilchot Diot, but here is more information. So it says, similarly, in analogy, it is proper for those who have a spiritual element to seek out the wise. So first of all, so the first step of Teshuvah is just realize that you're doing something wrong. Something is you're not perfect as you thought until now, right? Something is wrong with you, with your soul. Something is wrong. Something is not working out, right? So of course you do not know. So you go to a rabbi, as Rabbi Reuven Shlita said in one of the classes that I'm listening to, old classes, Baruch HaShem. So he said, look, I'm in my regular lecture, I give you like from 50 to 100 sources in whatever in his answers. It's stamp the rabbi, right? So he has all of the sources. So he said, if I give you all of the information to read, all of the pages of the books to read, so if you fast reader, it's going to take you 6 to 8 months. I think he underestimated in his humility in all of these different questions that he answered just in that class. So you understand. So of course you can read all of these books and I don't know if you're going to still alive until you finish the last book. Maybe yes, maybe no. So it's better to go to somebody who's have that Torah, meaning the minds of the Torah, and who can tell you exactly what Torah thinks, what you must do. What is it positive, what is it negative. So, and many times, whatever is good for others or normal in society, for a Torah, for in a Torah way, Hashem's way, it's absolutely disgusting, absolutely not acceptable. Continue, right? So he has to go to the seek out the wise, right? Seek out, meaning that it's not so simple to find. Just so you know, there are many people who pretend to be wise and God fearing, but in actuality there are not so many. Who healed the soul. So this rabbi, he's a professional who healed the soul. That's his profession. So if he's a real rabbi, so that's all he reads. That's all he learns the whole day, from the morning until night. Of course, working with people and helping people, that's understandable. But that's part of his job to learn about the soul and how to help people. Not the doctor. Doctor is only physical illness, right? Right? Who will warn them against the evil, right? So this rabbi, the doctor of the soul, would warn them against evil. What is it bad for them? So as for example, with this what is it, candies, with this chocolates, and the spiritual warning, as we said many times in this Chafetz Chaim book. So do not go to the place. Do not associate yourself with these people. Right, when it's danger of Lashon Hara, you know it's going to be a family gathering, and guess what? They're not religious, they're not this, not that, and they're going to speak Lashon Hara from the beginning, of the event until the end of the event, and everybody would come naked. Guess what? So I mean, it's normal for a rabbi no, and he would have warned you, but you're going to listen or not, it's your business. But if you want to get sicker, so that's you don't listen. Okay. So 1 second. Who will warn them against evil that they consider to be good. So as he said, look, but my uncle is going to get upset. Like this guy, I remember, I don't know, some years ago. So he has a sister, and his sister was getting married to a non-Jew, and she was I don't know, in her late 30s, I think, right? So and he said. No, it was his cousin. That doesn't matter. Late 30s, so she could not get married now. And this non-Jew, so he said, I'm going to go to the chuppah. They doing chuppah. I said, you normal? Why would you go with your nice kippah to the chuppah? He said, no, my father is going to get upset at his brother's daughter, and he's like, I said, HaShem is going to get upset. You understand? It's disgusting. He's not going to be there. He's going. Everybody who support this is going to be punished. You normal to go to such event? So you understand? That's so for him it was good in his eyes. Why I'm saying so in this person's eyes, even though he started to do teshuvah for some years. So it was good. It's good event. Okay, she's getting married. Doesn't matter, Jewish, non-Jewish. Okay, she's getting married. Finally, she's not going to be alone. Finally, her father is happy that she's getting married. So right. So you see that the most disgusting thing in this guy eyes, right? Because it was not so bad. He said, "I'm not going to stay for a wedding." I think he stayed for a wedding. I don't know. I was afraid to ask. That was too upsetting to me. Continue. And he will heal them through the activities that heal the character traits of the soul. Right? As will be explained in the following chapter. So in following chapter we're going to say, and it was actually in Hilchot Diot and Mislas Yesharim. So all of these great tzaddikim are talking how to fix your character traits, right? So Rabbi say you have to work on this character. You have this deficiency, and it's damaging your soul, and that's what you have to work. And that's our approach. So of course it depends on the person. It could be very little, but the basic approach is always the same.